I'm just trying out this new Sony camera to do some vlogging on. I'm currently walking around Toulon, see if I can find anything, take some pictures, etc. I'm actually here to get some groceries and some stuff, because I'm going to disappear off to Peninsula and wait out the ferry. So, currently, this is where I am. I don't know where you can see that. Some stadium of some sort. I'll find out later on. But yeah, I'll see if there's anything about. Take some photographs, hopefully, whilst the weather's still nice to us. It's 6 degrees. Frankly, tropical. You know what shopping is. You don't need to come with me. I don't want to spend too much time in the city. I do enough of that, and I live in the city anyway. And as much as that can be good sometimes, this is all about getting away from it all and having a look at some of the views and going to places that you wouldn't normally go and see. So these are some of the things that I'm looking at right now.